everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. This is a quick video to show you how to install a track winch system with a strap for a trailer. I think you can only do this on a deck over trailer that doesn't have a wheel well over it, because I don't think you're going to have a straight rail. So one of the requirements of having this system here is to have a rail or a flat. So the bottom part of the trailer right here is required for you to have at least that looks like about 1.5 inches or 2 inches would be better, of metal flat that runs all along the trailer. I bought these track which looks like a C shape like that, and I bought this from Lodi Metals. I think I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is the a portion of the C track here that we cut from this side here because it was too long. If we had that piece on, we will not be able to make it all the way, and this thing will not be able to come in, the track itself. I mean the winch itself. So just want to show you how thick this is. It's about I think 1/4 inch thick, and it's very heavy duty. So it's just shaped like a C, just like that. Again, it comes in 6 foot long pieces, and I think I don't even remember how much it costs. So I'm going to put the link in the description, and I'm going to put the invoice right here on the side, so you can take a look. Anyway, it comes with 6 foot sections. So there's 6 foot ending to there and another 6 foot ending to here. My son welded it all to the top, to the bottom of the trailer, and welded it together like this. We're going to clean it, prime it, and then paint it black to finish. But just wanted to show how this is done. Basically, you can do this yourself if you know how to weld. So we just got the 3 pieces here together. The last piece we actually have to cut, and to prevent this last track here or roller to fall off, we're going to drill a screw here, and then we're going to put an actual screw in there so it can't back up. So I'm going to show you how the track works. Sorry, hang on a second. Alright, so basically the track rolls and it can actually fall off, as you can see right there. So the track is just shaped like that, where these 2 notches right here on each side is where the C shape of the track catches. Like that, it catches like that, you see? So that's how it works. And these straps here I got from Amazon. I'll put also the link in the description. I would appreciate if you use my link to buy these products. I bought these, the actual winch itself, the ratchet winch, from Amazon for about $40 each, I think, $39 from DC Cargo, and they work really well. Very heavy duty, good stuff. Yeah, so having these straps really makes your hauling and using this trailer a lot easier, so you don't have to deal with the hook and the strap and the ratchets, that we typically have. So anyways, just want to create this quick video to show our progress here and how you do it yourself for having a track for a trailer that doesn't have a track to begin with. Oh, by the way, obviously you don't need one on the other side, because on the other side all you do is just pull this over to the other side and latch it and then tighten it here. I forgot to also to mention that you may want to buy this bar right here. This bar goes inside the hole here like so, so that you can use this like that. So this is so that you can tighten it pretty easily. Yeah, just like that. All right, well, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Again, all the parts that I use in this build here is going to be inside the description and in the comment. Please use those. It helps support my channel. If you like this content, if you find it useful, please give it a thumbs up so other YouTubers can discover this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.